Welcome back, Scott.
Thanks, Ian.
In today's episode, we have once again Jose Arias from Vision Consulting, an expert in logistics, procurement, and also supplier development, which leads us to today's topic, Customs and Border Protection Regulations. Welcome back, Jose.
Thank you very much. I'm happy to be here.
It's glad to have you. You know, tariffs continue to be a big topic as executives in manufacturing navigate rising costs on foreign products. Importers are facing increased expenses and a higher likelihood of customs audits. The international trade environment, as you know, Jose, is changing rapidly, especially with the recent U.S. policy changes. These strategic measures have resulted in increased costs for foreign goods and significantly heightened the risk of, again, customs audits. As a result, importers must be more vigilant than ever to avoid potential violations such as misdeclaring the country of origin in an attempt to reduce duties owed to customs. Jose, what are some of the indicators of elevated non-compliance risks that you're seeing in manufacturing industries today?
Well, first, one of the main ones is inconsistent documentation. So when importers show to customs documents and they are not consistent, they have multiple origins or they have different values, for example, on the packing list, opposed to the invoice, that raise questions. That's immediately a red flag. Another one is the incorrect country of origin declaration, as you said, but when you put it on the document and it's changed, and it's visible or historically that part is never coming from a country, it will raise questions. Undeclaring value is also something that you need to be very careful when a supplier applies discounts or credits, for example, quality credits that they owe to the buyer. They apply it to invoice, they declare less value. That's something that customs will look for.
Yeah, good answer, Jose. Next question, Jose, is what are some strategies that executives in manufacturing can use to migrate those compliance risks you just brought up?
Well, I think conducting audits, self-audits, will benefit the company. Investing on staff or hiring an expert to help them in specific for customs compliance. That will be another one. You need to have a robust compliance program. And again, if you evaluate it, you will receive the grade, how good you are on that. And if that expert that you hire, for example, they can also suggest technology solutions. There are in the market multiple ways to review what your company is doing and apply those technologies to find improvements.
Very good.
Excellent.
Perfect.